the engine, the sharp blades, and the falling trees. Welcome to the world of powerful wood-cutting machines. This selective cutting might seem drastic, but it's essential for forest health. These mature trees, they've reached their peak. By removing them, we reduce competition, allowing younger trees to thrive. It's about sustainable forestry, ensuring a vibrant ecosystem for generations to come. Disproportionate cutting angle, cut too deep, rear cut too high, hinge completely missing, body position not adjusted for folding, non-compliant PPE. Above all, it was too big, and what's worse, he cut the hinge. Lucky him, he didn't get stuck underneath.
Fight him, that's going to throw him off.
Chopping down a tree? It's no easy task.
Jesus. He's off the ladder! He went!
You need to be super careful. It's serious work. The Kenworth W900 roared defiance at the treacherous incline. Its Cummins IS X15 engine, a raging beast unleashed. 605 horsepower surge, 2,050 pound-feet of torque clawing at the earth. Every inch was a battle won against gravity's relentless pull. The W900's robust chassis, Meritor axles, and heavy-duty suspension held firm. All right, folks, this is where things get real. You think you can handle this solo? Don't be a hero. Call in the experts and avoid a DIY disaster. This isn't the time for amateur hour. The ProMac HSL 60 standard flow mulcher offers exceptional performance with a 60-inch cutting width and the ability to handle branches and trees up to 6 inches in diameter. Equipped with a variable torque piston motor and chip production rotor, CPR, it efficiently produces even mulch. Its durable 2,200-pound frame ensures reliability in challenging conditions. All right, folks, let's get real about tree felling. One wrong move, a shallow notch, a weak hinge, and it's game over. You gotta have a killer hinge, especially with these leaners, because that's the only thing between you and a world of hurt. If that tree starts grabbing your saw, you better hit the brakes and rethink your strategy. Remember, safety first. Check out this beast, the Ponce Ergo. It takes on massive Douglas fir and grand fir trees with unmatched precision. With the active frame, C5 crane, and H8 head working in perfect harmony, every movement is smooth and efficient. Less downtime means more timber, and more timber means bigger profits. Sure, it comes with a hefty price tag ranging from $275,000 to $385,000. But if you're serious about taking your output to the next level, this machine pays for itself. And then some.
So they're cutting it here?
Every mistake carries a price. And sometimes it can even take a toll on your health. This is true mastery. Watch how effortlessly this lumberjack handles working on these steep inclines, which adds difficulty and physical stress.
One wedge. There she goes. There she goes.
Years of experience have refined their precision, making even challenging cuts look easy. A truly impressive skill. You've got a burning tree and someone's cutting it down. Doesn't that seem counterintuitive? Help me understand the logic here, folks. Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Stovepiping them.
The Logset 6F is built to handle the toughest timber transportation challenges in swampy and muddy environments. With a powerful diesel engine and a rugged chassis, it can navigate through unstable, soft ground with ease. Equipped with a durable undercarriage, the Logset 6F ensures safe and efficient transportation of heavy loads, even in the most challenging. The Dallin Bedmaskin 2054 is a compact, efficient wood processor. It operates with a 40 to 70 horsepower tractor and handles logs up to 40 centimeters in diameter. The machine features a chainsaw for cutting and customizable blades for splitting logs into 2, 4, 6, or 8 parts. Equipped with automatic feeding and output conveyors, it saves time and labor. Its durable design and simple controls make it perfect for small to medium-scale firewood production. Even with the raw power of the Tatra 138S3 and a hefty load in tow, that stubborn stump refused to yield on the first attempt. took a second, determined pull to finally conquer the unyielding obstacle. A healthy tree is being cut down, and it's honestly heartbreaking. Especially considering how that massive tree managed to stay upright so long after they made such a huge face cut. This has to be one of the worst examples of tree felling I've ever seen. Tractor 650 is a powerful machine designed for heavy-duty tasks like hauling timber, even in challenging snowy conditions. Its robust engine and durable tires offer stability, though navigating icy slopes can be tricky. With careful control, the driver regains stability, ensuring a safe journey despite the snowy terrain. The Dennis Simaf DAH-080C is a powerful mulcher for medium-sized excavators like the Takuchi TB-175. It features an 81-centimeter cutting width, handles branches up to 10 centimeters, and operates with a hydraulic flow of 65 liters per minute. He likely performed a thorough risk assessment before tackling those massive roots, but even the best-laid plans can go awry. Thankfully, their reflexes were sharp enough to avoid disaster. The John Deere 1270E8WD is a rugged forestry machine designed for tough terrains. Powered by a 255 horsepower engine, it pairs with the efficient H415 harvester head for precision cutting. With advanced controls, dual hydraulic pumps, and a rotating cabin, it delivers top-tier performance and operator comfort. Need some friction for tops that size? Invest in a porta wrap. Keep the ground guys on the ground. Observe the intricate workings of these steam-powered behemoths, marvels of engineering that have withstood the test of time. The repurposed ponderosa pine, salvaged after a storm, and transformed into lumber for bespoke furniture and high-end construction. This exemplifies the resourcefulness and sustainability practiced by our forefathers. Picture a fully loaded logging truck rapidly descending a steep mountain road. The truck's wheels kick up a dense cloud of dust, engulfing the vehicle and momentarily hiding it from view. This creates a dramatic scene reminiscent of an action movie, filled with both power and a sense of imminent peril.
You got it.
Always stay behind and the opposite of the falling side. Also, never cut a tree with an hesitating chainsaw engine. Very dangerous.
You okay? You okay, man?
This is the real deal, folks. Watching a skilled craftsman take down a massive tree at high altitude is nothing short of breathtaking. From his vantage point, with a jaw-dropping view as the backdrop, you can't help but feel the tension and awe in every move. This is one video you won't be able to tear your eyes away from. Ever felt the thrill as a tree finally gives in to the saw? It's the symphony of steel slicing through wood, the pause before it tips, and the crack of splintering fibers. If that rush hits you, you're not alone. The Link Belt, 3,740 log loader with grapple, is crushing it, loading a Kenworth W900 like it's nothing. Hauling its fifth load of logs in the rugged hills of concrete Washington, this powerful scene showcases both the machine and the driver's skill, truly awe-inspiring. Watch as these massive conifer logs, freshly debarked, get peeled into perfect veneer sheets by a high-tech veneer peeling machine. From there, they're dried, inspected, and any flaws are expertly repaired, all by just one operator. Did you see that? The LKT-81 is hauling a massive 20 cubic meters of timber, triple the usual load. This powerhouse is built to tackle the toughest challenges, proving it's the ultimate workhorse. The Pacific P-16 roars to life on the treacherous slopes of Casas, hauling a massive load of logs. The driver expertly handles the brakes, with smoke billowing from the wheels, showcasing impressive control. Check this out. The hydraulic roller crusher uses hydraulic power to control crushing pressure, handling tough materials with ease. It boosts efficiency, saves energy, and ensures top product quality. A true beast in action.
This extraction perfectly illustrates the two-stage process. The Praga 5.3S, a reliable heavy-duty truck, initiates the pull, while the ZIL 131 winch serves as a stationary anchor to optimize force. Whoa, that's a serious piece of machinery. Love how smoothly it slices through that oak.
That was a heavy cut at that far end.
So what's it gonna be? Stair treads for a grand entrance? Or flooring to make your neighbors jealous? Hit me up with your plans.
Glad this wood was still in good condition considering how long.
This D6RXL, a beast, built for pure performance. We're talking serious power, long-term durability, and a suite of features that optimize efficiency at every turn. This is top of the line. Listen, those LKT81S are robust, no doubt, but pushing them that hard with a wheel loader? You're inviting premature failure. Think catastrophic wear and tear, potential core damage, a complete rebuild within a year if you're lucky. Well, they certainly seem to have the right equipment and expertise. Let's just hope they apply it correctly and get the job done safely and efficiently.
Faster! Go! There it goes! They did it!
Who's doing it?
Those three guys.
Somebody not professional.
Conquer any terrain with the Komatsu 931 XC. With a 255 HP engine, C144 head, and rotating cab, it delivers top performance and comfort while maximizing yield and protecting trees. A true game changer. The Valtra A93 is a powerful and versatile tractor with a 4-cylinder diesel engine delivering approximately 93 horsepower. It features a mechanical transmission system and a strong hydraulic system, making it suitable for a variety of farming tasks. The Bandit SG75 is a powerful stump grinder with a 74 horsepower Kohler diesel engine. It features super sweep technology to prevent engine shutdown and offers adjustable wheel positions for versatility. Ty put it in 4-low or just low gear. No rutting of soil from tires spinning since you are using the torque. And do not want to gun and spin the tires as you learned, which requires more than a few tugs. Whereas lowest gear gives you 1 or 2 strong tugs with limited to no slip.
You got it!
Imagine a machine that devours wood endlessly. That's what you're about to see. This goes beyond simple wood chipping. It's a testament to the power and precision of modern engineering. I believe the crane operator should offer a sincere and substantial apology to this person. Check out that cut. This guy's a total pro with that Stihl MS661. Dead straight, super precise, amazing. This saw is a monster. 91.1 cubic centimeters of pure power, 7.2 horsepower. It'll tear through anything, but it's not just about raw power. Stihl's got your back with 2 mixed technology for fuel efficiency and low emissions. And the anti-vibration system? Game changer. You can work all day long and still feel good. This splitter packs a 26.5-ton ram, ready to power through even the toughest hardwood.
possible. These rounds are medium to large size, right out of the log pile.
With its smooth hydraulic system and quick cycle time, the Split Force 1320T delivers efficient, controlled splitting all day long.
Minutes for a face cord, so about a full cord per hour.
The FAEDML/TWIN mulcher on a 66 horsepower John Deere tractor is a powerful and versatile tool for land clearing, brush removal, and agricultural tasks. With its 66 horsepower engine, it handles heavy-duty jobs effortlessly, providing consistent, high-quality results across various terrains. Tim's 1948 Peterbilt, equipped with a 600 horsepower Cummins engine and a powerful Jake brake, dominates the road as Tim Vale of Iron Horse Trucking expertly maneuvers a heavy load of logs down Paradise Valley Road in Whatcom County, Washington State. The Multi-One Stump Planer combines safety and efficiency using low speed and high torque for precise stump removal with less debris, ideal for high traffic areas and valuable property. It's critical, everyone, to understand that a well-defined plan and rapid remediation are essential to prevent a catastrophic outcome. The Valmet 8 40.3 is stuck, with deep ruts showing the need for proper terrain assessment. Extraction will require specialized equipment. Whoa, check out these guys. Have you ever seen anyone move through trees like that? It's like they were born in the Canopy. Seriously, someone get these guys a movie deal. Even seasoned professionals at the top of their game are susceptible to errors. That's why a bit of fortune, strategically leveraged, can be the differentiator between success and failure. Isn't it incredible? Just imagine all the things we can create with wood, homes, furniture, and beyond. This machine speeds up the process, getting us straight to the best materials for building. The Timber Pro TL745D, paired with the powerful Quadco 27SC head, is built for heavy-duty forestry work. Its 300-plus horsepower engine and efficient hydraulics handle trees up to 70 centimeters with ease, while the Quadco head ensures precise, clean cuts. Designed for tough terrain, it delivers unmatched performance in demanding logging operations. The Tatra Phoenix 6x6 shows outstanding traction and control as the driver navigates a narrow, icy path with a full load, showcasing both the truck's engineering and the driver's skill. Check out the unique design of this stump scraper. Its approach delivers impressive results. Have you used this model in your work?